ASUS is adding some extra punch to its new ZenBook Pro 15 while still keeping the laptop slim and light. It's one of the first portable computers to offer Intel's new 8th generation 6-core i9-8950HK processor, even though it's just 18.9mm thick and weighs 1.86 kg. The highest-end version of the new ZenBook, model UX550GD. In case you're wondering, can house NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1050 GPU, which carries 4GB of GDDR5 video memory. That graphics processor, combined with the i9 chip, 4K touchscreen, and up to 1TB storage and 16GB of DD4 RAM, could make the machine a strong option for both traveling gamers and video editors, who need more power than most computer users. Despite that muscle, ASUS claims the ZenBook Pro 15 can run for up to 9.5 hours on its battery, which you can recharge up to 60% capacity in 49 minutes. It's no slouch in the connectivity department either. It offers dual-band 802.11 AC gigabit Wi-Fi, 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, a pair of USB 3.1 Gen 2 connectors and HDMI output. The sound system has some more oomph to it than previous models too. Harman Kardon helped develop the new speakers, which ASUS says output 1.4 times as much volume. ASUS has not yet announced pricing for the laptop, though with top-of-the-line portable components stuffed into a thin, light body, the highest-end model will surely be heavy on the wallet. However, there are of course less powerful UX550GD configurations that will drop the price somewhat.